Hello, in this video I will be reviewing the KG support and resistance indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator displays the support and resistance zones for the 4 time frames that we specify for it. And generally we expect the price to react when it reaches and hits these zones. Let's go over
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
the settings of this indicator together. The first option, SOL, is the price on which the indicator's calculations are based, which can be from the high and low of the candle or the open and close of the candle. The next options are the 4 time frames where we want the support and resistance zones to be identified for us. Here we specify them, and by default they are set to 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, and daily. It doesn't matter which time frame we are in. For example, we are currently in a 5-minute time frame, but the zones it shows us belong to these 4 time frames that are in the input and are for higher time frames. We can specify how these zones are displayed, whether to show them on the high and low of the candles or on the open and close. We can specify the color of these lines that it draws for us, where the first is for the first time frame, the second for the second time frame, the third for the third time frame, and the fourth for the fourth time frame. And we can also specify the code for each of these lines that we have to show us which arrow for that time frame, where the number 1 is for the first time frame, 2 for the second time frame, and 3 and 4 in the same manner. We can specify any desired shape here to be displayed for us, and we can also determine the size of these shapes, which can be specified for each of the 4 time frames. We can set the sizes larger for higher time frames that have more credibility, and make the sizes smaller for lower time frames. And the last option is the number of candles that the chart goes back to in the past and performs calculations on. Let's test this live and see this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. From the MT4 perspective, you can also use this indicator for MetaTrader 4. I should also mention that this purple color is for the daily time frame. This is the default state of the indicator. The blue color is for the 4-hour time frame. The green color is for the 1-hour time frame, and the orange color is for the 15-minute time frame. This is its default state, which you can change in the settings. Let's test this indicator live together on the MetaTrader 4 platform. At the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us in the comments section to help improve the indicators